to my channel. So in this video it's going to be all about the eye makeup. So I'll be doing a step-by-step eye makeup tutorial on like a bronze glam eye makeup look. So as you can see on my face right now, I already done my foundation, concealer and my eyebrows. I didn't do my eye makeup as I said earlier, and also I didn't do like the bronzer, blush, highlight or even lips. I haven't done anything about that, but this video is gonna be like all about the eyes. It's been quite some time since I really filmed a YouTube video, so I'm coming back like back to basic on a very bronze like glam kind of makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoy this kind of step-by-step tutorial, and I'm actually gonna be using one palette in this video for the eye makeup, and it's gonna be the GlamX Choc Royale palette. I really like this palette a lot. You guys will see why later. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I achieve a bronze glam step-by-step tutorial, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy, and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching. Okay guys, so before jumping into the video, I'm just going to share like a life update for you guys. So I started working almost a month already, and it is why because I've been missing out of YouTube videos because like time management with working, YouTube, and I also started doing my freelance makeup artist. And this is actually one of the reasons why I really wanted to do this video, is because since I started my freelance makeup artist, when I do people's makeup, the palette that I go for is actually this palette right here by GlamX, the Choc Royale palette, because everything you need to create a very beautiful bronze makeup look, even though it's like natural or super glam, super smoky, you can definitely achieve by this look right here. So if you guys are interested in like booking me for your special occasion, you can DM me on my Instagram, whether is it DaintyDashBeauty, which is actually my makeup artist freelance page. You guys can check it out. It will be linked down in the description box below, or you can email me at DaintyDashBeauty@gmail.com. So yeah, just information for you guys. So now let's get into the eye makeup. So just to give you additional information on this GlamX Choc Royale palette right here, you can actually use my code GlamX to get 10% off your order. And coming back to the eye shape, as you can see right here, I didn't really like prime my eyes with eye primer because I already like cover my eyelids with concealer and also powder, so I think it's like usually good to go. And the first shade I'm going to be using is like a whitish cream color, just to set everything in place once again. So this will just act like a blank canvas for us, so that all the other colors will lay down much more smoother on top of it. And the next color I'm gonna take is actually a warm brown color that is not too deep or not too light. It's definitely like a very medium kind of warm brown, and this will be acting as my transition color. So as you can see, the color is not too like pigmented or prominent on the eyelid itself, because like these mattes really blend very nicely, and it's just enough for you to give like a guideline from your crease. So the next step is actually creating more definition at the outer corner of the eyes, as you can see right here. And just want to show you the brushes that I use. This is the first brushes that I use. It's actually much more fluffier, as you can see, and this one is going to be the next one that I use. It's much more smaller and precise, but it still has the like a fluffy factor to it. And I'll be taking a darker brown color, not the deepest one, and I'm gonna be really focusing at the outer corner. So just lightly tapping it, and you feel like once your brush is like no more product, you can just bring it higher. So you created this kind of effect. And for this look right here, I really wanted to have like a cat eye kind of effect, so I'm going in with the same brown color, and all you have to do is just basically pull it a bit more. And if you really want your look to be super blended, going back in with the super fluffy brush, you can just blend the outer corners so that it won't be like any harsh line. Blend down here as well. So now as you can see, I already create a very nice depth. I want to have a little bit more depth, and I'm taking the darkest brown color in the palette and using a brush like this, which is like a little bit shorter and like fatter. Just gonna focusing at the outer corner. And one thing you need to do about this shade, you're not gonna be swiping it, you're just going to like place it. So before I go on to the eyelid itself, I want to complete the lower lash line using the same brush. Remember the first shade we used on the crease? Just take that color, tap the excess off, and then just slowly like blend it out at your lower lash line. And taking a much more precise brush, I'm going in with the second darker shade that we really focus on the outer corner. Your eyeball is here, don't go after the eyeball, just slightly at the center will do. Okay, so now on to the eyelids part. I'm gonna take this beautiful bronze shade right here, and what I'm gonna do is mainly focus on the eyeball, and make sure you're not dragging fully across to the outer corner, because you will lose all the hard work that you did, basically all the darkness right there. So what you can do is start exactly at the center of the eyeball where all the product is like most pigmented there, and then slowly dispersing all the color out. And now moving on to the inner corner, I'm taking this beautiful like champagne color, and I'm using a very precise brush to place it at my inner corner. So as you can see, I already done my other eye off camera, and at the end of the day it will look like this. So at this part of this eye makeup look, you can totally put on some eyeliner, and also maybe without eyeliner will look very nice, some mascara, and you're good to go. But I just want to put a little bit more glam, so I'm using this product right here from Althea, Korea. Is their Spotlight Eye Glitter right here, and this is in the shade Gold Light, and I'm just going to swatch for you guys to see. So you can see the glitter of it is very fine, but it gives like a super beautiful like champagne golden kind of look. So all you have to do is basically like close your lids and put one line, and then you can use your previous brush to just lightly dab. And now it's time to put on some eyeliner, so I'll be using the Benefit Roller Eyeliner. And I'm just gonna use some Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I'm gonna put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so basically the eye makeup look is almost done, and I actually forgot to mention one thing right here. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? So this eye, the lower lash line, I actually put a white, not to say white, a nudish like waterline color, and this one I didn't put. So it's definitely like personal preference whether you like the look or not. I'm just gonna show you a little bit closer. You can see this one is basically nothing, and you can see it's like a little bit more whiter down here. This function is basically helping the eyes to brighten up and also to be look a little bit bigger, and I personally love the look of it, so I'm just going to. And honestly, I feel that it just really helps to just open up the eyes a little bit more and look much more fresh and awake, which I really like. And basically this pencil that I use right here is from Benefit. It's the Roller Eye Bright Pencil, and I think this is one of the best like lower lash line waterline pencil that I ever used, because previously I tried a few and it's just not as pigmented, not as creamy, and it's not as long lasting as this right here. So I highly recommend. I love this pencil so much. Okay, so now moving on to the face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer right here in this shade, this one. I'm not going to tell because I really don't know how to pronounce, but I'm just going to use the bronzer. And this brush right here, oh my god, it's just so nice. I'm just going to like, it just hug the cheek so nicely. As you can see, like this side and this side, so much more like warmth. Love it, love it. And for blusher, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite MAC blusher right here. This is the Sweets for my Sweet Extra Dimensional Blush. I really love this blush so much. Like, it's just so pretty. It's like pigmented enough and it also gives like a subtle glow. Like, little bit really goes a long way. As you can see, you already see color. It's so nice. And for highlighter, I'm obsessed using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in this shade Molten Rose. I tried Molten Gold already. I don't know, I like it, but this one just like, it surprised me so much because I thought I would really always go for like the golden highlighter, but I like this highlighter so much. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna swatch a bit. Like, it's so pigmented and it's just so pretty. And this brush from Fenty Beauty, their 120 highlighting brush, it's like a cheek hugging highlighter brush. It's so true. I'm just gonna dab a bit really goes a long way. And like, can you see that? And it's already available in our Malaysian drugstores. I think Watson have it, but oh my god, it's so pretty. And of course, we cannot forget that amazing nose highlight. It just completes the look. Okay, that's too much. Maybe a bit. Okay, so last but not least, Maybelline came out with 10 new shades of their Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Seriously, this is one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. Some people say it can be drying, but for me, I just feel it's just nice. And like, the longevity of it, no matter if it's a little bit drying, I don't mind because it lasts all day, even after like eating super oily food, even after like shower. After I come back, I like bathe, my lipstick is still on with only this, and it's seriously so amazing. And this is actually a new shade, and it is the shade 130 Self Starter. It's a beautiful nude shade that I can still wear. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look right here, as well as the step-by-step super in-depth tutorial on this eye makeup look, and also to complete the face makeup look. I feel that this kind of look is nothing new to you guys. I always like wear this kind of look to like events and like super glam. I want to feel super glam, but still keeping it very like neutral bronze kind of look without playing too much color. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys want more like step-by-step in-depth tutorial kind of looks, whether is it like a cut crease makeup look or a super like colorful makeup look. Comment down below, maybe I can do that in the future. So yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!